Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and around here we like to check out trending DIY project ideas. So all of these ideas, the creators have been listed throughout the video, so definitely check them out if you want to see more from them. This first creator is known for doing really inspiring projects. A lot of the items that you see throughout her home have been made by herself. And in this video, she is making her own console table. So she does this, of course, with the woodwork. And here she is adding some more pieces of that. And to me, the way that this looked when she was finished is it really reminds me of a fireplace insert. I don't know why, but not fireplace insert, but a fireplace surround. I don't know why, but it just kind of reminded me because our fireplace is white and it just looks as if she cut around our fireplace, made this table console, and took the insert out. So I think this is really innovative and cool. Very nice that she's able to make her own decor. She did make that side table there as well. And she's really talented. So check her out if you get a chance. So moving on to Handmade Celine. Looks like she has a balloon here and some rope. And she's kind of gluing that together. And then of course we've kind of seen a similar technique before where they use the balloon as like a guide to create the shape. And it looks like she made some type of bowl of some sort here. This would make for a great fruit basket. So next up, she is making something out of the mesh burlap material. So it looks like in the background she has the wooden bead garland. Oh, so she's making little burlap roses, I think. Oh, those are really cute. And of course, you can take these and do numerous projects with them. So here she has a Pringles can and some clay. And she's rolling that up in there. So I think the clay obviously is a really just like off-putting color. So she painted that white and she was able to make this nice little vase. That came out really cool. So here's the previous DIYer before. So in this clip, she is making a lamp. Well, she's revamping this lamp. So she's using some cardboard here, taping around the cardboard. And you guys already saw the final product. So this is amazing. So she used foil to create some texture. And I believe that is some type of plaster or something that she is using to create some texture and thickness. And she's probably also using clay as well. So she has the handles going there. And I just love what she has done with this lampshade. I mean, this is just amazing. Or lamp, period. This is a nice, very structured lamp. It looks like something she bought at Pottery Barn and spent a lot of money on. I think that it came out absolutely amazing. So next up, we have Yeah Handmade. So she has some little wooden pieces here as well as some wooden hoops, and she's gluing them together. She might be making some type of base or maybe a lantern. So it looks like she's making some type of handle here on the side with the rope. Oh, so she did make a very nice lantern out of that. Very cool. Love the way that that turned out. And then here she has an old wine bottle. So she's actually sanding that down. And I think she's going to create some type of light feature with this. Very cool idea. Wow, that turned out amazing. Very clever way to repurpose your wine bottle. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed checking out these DIYs. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.